So you got one of two options. You can either subscribe to my channel or you can get knocked the fuck out. I ain't playing with you. Come. Subscribe. Hit the button right now. Let's go. Let's get into this video, man. If you haven't already, download Studio One 5.5 update. Don't be in my comment section saying, Zell, it doesn't work. I'm trying. And you only got version 5.4, 5.3, 5.0. So this is the new strumming feature. Studio One, thank you. You must not want it to get beat up today. I'm just fine. Studio One, thank you very much. For real. This is a very good feature. I think this is the coolest feature any DAW has for making beats. Let's get right into it. I'm going to play what I got so far. I'm going to just stop there so I don't take up y'all time. I know y'all busy folk. So highlight all of your notes. And I'm using a Mac. So I don't know what it is on a Windows. Don't be like, Zell, what is it? I'm trying, but you only work for the Mac users. Well, yeah, you know what? I'm done with Windows. Try Control Alt Delete. Don't delete, but try Control Alt. All right. So here's what you do. You click with the mouse and you hold with the mouse. Then, like I said, for Mac, Command Option, and then it'll drag. And let's listen. Ooh, that was sexy. Let's do it again. So another cool thing about it is you could do it from any note. It doesn't have to just be the top note. So if I wanted to do from the middle note, same thing. But make sure I'm highlighting them all, clicking first, Command, boom. Oops. See, because it's the problem. If you don't let go, you see how it duplicates? If you don't let go the right way, it's going to duplicate. So click first, Command Option, boom, drag it over. I'm letting go of the mouse first. Okay, so I showed you guys that. I'm gonna show you how you can do it from anywhere else. Click, Command, boom, boom. Right, even though I don't like doing it from there, that's why you can do it from the bottom. Most people do it from the bottom or the top. That's what we're finna do again. So it's important to press down first, then do Command Option or Alt, whatever it is, and make sure you let go at the right. So you one got to make that a little bit easier on a brother because sometimes I move fast. Now, the coolest part that you can do is turn off the note snap, the toggle snap, highlight them, and it sounds way better when you do that for some reason. You see how I can slide, how I slide. Boom. That's so nasty. Ooh, I like it. I like. Yeah. Baby, come give it to me. Yeah. First of all, I want to say thank you guys for subscribing to my channel too. I almost got 6,000 subscribers. That's a long way from 100 where I started. And I'm on the road to 10K. Then I'm about to be on the road to 100K. So, and I haven't even been on here like the way I want to. But thank you guys. Also, you guys know I'm doing one-on-ones. If you didn't know, I'm doing one-on-ones. Check the description with Bonsai down below. You guys follow me on Instagram and all that other good stuff. Appreciate you guys, man. It's much love.